much grateful for the work that you're doing for us. I am concluding because concluding I must. Mr. President, as the school of the National Unity Platform, as the school that is here to be educated, to educate others, we only request of you that you send us, because we are ready to serve. We are qualified revolutionaries, and I know they will feel us. If you feel as I feel, if you see as I see, if you touch as I touch, I want to tell you that there is only one man, a generational leader, a very candid man, a gentleman, a statesman, a qualified, a chancellor, a professor, a council of the Republic of Uganda, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. As we are here, we want to thank you all for having come. But as a school, we have the mandate to go and teach others. Mr. Waiswa Mfumbiro, I know when you were teaching me communication, you taught me about time. But you can also see as the School of the National Unity Platform, we thought it wise that among all ladies, there is this lady called Kaija. And so today, we felt as a school, we need to reward her. As people prepare the gift, Mr. President, conclusively we got to learn about how time is important. That it is only a matter of time, but we are getting there. We are told that when the time is right, even when you speak English, it flows. You ask Honorable Geoffrey Rutaya in Parliament. When the time is right, everything falls into place. And so we are only waiting for the right time, and we shall be behind you as the youth of this country.